Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to use get logged items. So as you know that in work queue items, we have 4 state, one pending, second logged, third completed, fourth exception. So I am going to show you how to get logged items. We can use this as a how many items are logged by the bot and when that item was logged, we can get those and then we can check that item is logged by bot today or not, like that. So let's say if bot has picked this item and we are running 2 bots for this process, so these 2 items were logged by bot today, so we can write a logic like get next item worked properly or not, because once we'll use get next item, so it will log these items, right? And then we can use get logged item, so it will check any items is logged by get next item or not. Let me show you how to do that. Let me take one get next item, because without get next item or like without getting item from queue, will not able to log any item. So I have taken this get next item and let me take this one here, let me link this, and here in the get next item I am using this queue name, and in the output we are taking item ID, so it will just give us item ID, and item ID data item is here. So now using this one we are going to lock an item. Now I am going to show you how to get that logged item. So for that we'll take one more action, double click on that, select work queues, click on get logged items, and here we can enter our queue name. So our queue name is here, and then tags. So based on this tag or key filter we can get those logged items. In the output we can store this in the collection logged items. So all the items which is logged we can get here in the collection. So let's say we are running 2 bots on the same queue, so it will log 2 items, so we'll get here 2, but currently we are just running only one time, we have just only one resource, so it will just log only one. Let me take one and stage here, we already have that. Now let me just right click set next stage, and you can see here we have row 1 of 1, so we have this item ID and logged. So this will just give us one item ID and logged date time, like when this item ID was logged. By this way we can get all the collection of logged items. Now you can also put a condition, you can check this item was logged or not, like we have some data here or not, and if we have data, so those item was logged today or not. So for that we'll take here one if condition, we'll take one decision stage, and here we'll write whatever value we are getting here, that is log date. So we'll check if this log date is equals to today date or not. So for that let me just take one multi-calc stage so that I can store this date. So first I will store today's date, so this is the expression to store today, and now I will store this in the date value, data item, click OK. So we have created this one, and this should be data type date, not date time, because I am just going to compare with the date. Second I am going to add for convert the date time to date, because here in the logged items we are getting in the date time, and we need to convert this to date, then we can compare here. So double click and click on add, and here we need to write to date. To date is used to convert date time to date. So we'll write here to date, open close, and then we are getting date time here, so we'll write here and then close the bracket here, and then store that in the logged date, right? Click here and click OK. So we have 2 data items, right? Now link this here and then link with the decision stage, and now in this decision stage we can write item logged today something, and here in the expression will write if this log date is equals to today, it means this date is the data item that is today date. So we can write here today. I have just updated that one, so I need to update the here also. So let me just remove this one and take here today date and click OK. Now if this today date equals to log date, if this is correct, so that's okay, we can just link here. If no, then you can do some, you can perform some action. Let me take one anchor stage here. So if no, we can connect with this one and then take one AND stage here. So we can take AND stage multiple times here, and then by this way I can show you here. So let me again run this, get next item. So we already have one item that is logged. I can show you here from the queue. So this item is logged. Now it will go through the multi-calc stage and it shows that a state. Okay, so it seems like we need to update this date with the today date, because we just updated this our data item from date to today date. Now step over and we can see here now today date we are getting 13th Feb, and here also we are getting 13th Feb, because we just converted our current value this one to date only. So what will happen, this time will be removed and only date will be printed here. And now we are going to compare. So it says that equals to, so yes, so it will go to AND, right? So this is just for the recheck the value that your item was logged today or not, on the same day or not, when both was running, right? So by this way you can use this get logged item. I just found only this example to show you. I think this is helpful for you. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed this channel, and please share or comment also if you have any other example for this one. If you want to learn UiPath RPA, then you can visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/UiPathRPA. If you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy, so I have created one course for Blue Prism RPA complete course on Udemy. So you can go there and you can purchase that course and you can get the certificate from there. I will enter the referral code and the link in the video description. You can go through that. I hope you will like that one. Thank you so much for watching this video.